Go color, color.
I'm so tacky.
Go ahead, bud. Only on the paper.
This is blue.
Yeah. Winston, can you color a circle?
I can color one. Oh, I want to do it on right.
Winston, can you color a circle? Good job, guys. Winston, let me see what you can draw right here. Nice. Hannah, can you draw a circle, Hannah?
I was going to do it right here.
Let me see. No, bud. Stay out of Sissy's room.
I did a happy place.
You did? Only paper. Winston, paper only. Okay, color, color.
Hey, let's do the blue part.
Go follow Hannah. Good job, guys.
What's the color of the blue part? You color blue part.
There you go, bud.
See?
Nuh-uh. Over here. Winston. No, sir. What are you doing having a seat on the paint? Okay, boy, you're silly. This is all the stuff that the workers are using?
Yeah.
Don't color on it.
I'm going to.
Aren't y'all too cute? Can you guys give each other a kiss? Winston, can you give Sissy a kiss?
Give me a kiss.
Give her a kiss.
No.
No. What about a hug? Can you give her a hug?
Yes.
Okay, guys. No, don't color on that.
This is for the worker. He's coloring on it.
No.
It's okay.
It's okay. It's the underside of it. But that could get very confusing very fast.
Color on it. Let's color here.
Color on the paper. Only paper, sweetie.
Hmm?
Y'all are funny.